GP Women's College in Palm today.
You know, without education, the human civilization will take a very long course. Because of education and the way knowledge is flourishing through education, we are able to come up in a great way in terms of development, civilization, as well as transformation of values and systems all across the world. And without education, these things would have been much delayed. And that is the first fact. Second fact we have seen all across the world is all about technology is influencing our thought process, our mind. Education, of course, is influenced by technology and innovation. But sometimes technology and innovation itself is threatening the real understanding of what the value is, what education is. And that is why the theme of this particular National Education Day is on education age of artificial intelligence. Education and the age of artificial intelligence. Today, artificial intelligence is basically influencing all our thought process, our mind. We talk about the research today, we ask questions through artificial intelligence by using ChatGPT and various other apps. And we get the replies from them in a fraction of seconds. We know that most of these questions which we have asked, the answer comes as per our expectation and your expectation. But the question out here is that will we allow our whole decision-making process replaced only by artificial intelligence? This is the greatest question. If all our thought process and minds are allowed to be replaced by artificial intelligence, then where is the reality? Where lies your emotion? Where lies your own freedom of taking decisions and making decisions? Where lies your own rationality all about what is right and what is wrong? If you rely completely on artificial intelligence, if you rely completely on technology. So how to give a balance between use of technology and your own rational decision-making thoughts and the freedom of taking decisions without AI? How to make a balance between these two things have become a very important agenda on today's time. Okay, so what is the real decision? Is the real decisions coming out from your heart and from your rational mind? Or is the decision or right decision or rational decision is basically provided to you by technology, that is artificial intelligence? If you rely more and more on artificial intelligence for taking right kind of rational decisions, then we are not in a position to use our own human mind for making decisions. You know, all great theories all across the world, philosophical ideas, political theories, and philosophies, all these ideas, great ideas, emerged by the time there was no such technology. The saying and the philosophy of Socrates, the saying and the philosophies of many other great philosophers of the world talk all about this utilitarian theory. You talk all about Hume's philosophy. You talk all about Karl Marx's theories and philosophies. Okay, during those days, do you think that there was a technology, there was AI? There was artificial intelligence. There was technology. No technology was there. All these great ideas emerged only there the great minds. So you can ask a question to yourself that mind is more powerful than artificial intelligence, or artificial intelligence is more powerful than mind, human mind. And if you start to see talking like this, that AI can replace and AI can do everything and anything, then that is wrong. So due to the emergence of AI, shall we forget the philosophical ideas and the thoughts of those great philosophers of 16th century, 17th century, and 18th century, and even before that? It's not possible. And those philosophical ideas and the thoughts still remains in lively. Artificial intelligence today are drawing their own conclusion based on those great ideas and great philosophies still. Understand? Artificial intelligence is used, technology is used just for processing information at a faster pace. What kind of information? The information which are readily available. Okay, and who supplies all those readily available information? Those readily available information, ideas and thoughts were provided by all those great thinkers. And just from that perspective, great philosophy, great ideas, great values remain relevant and practicable on today's modern world and technological world too.